My name is Carice Laguerre from the Myo Spot, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I stop snoring? Well, most people don't know that snoring is not normal. Snoring is actually the sound of air meeting resistance as it's going through your passageways. Once that happens, you're not oxygenating efficiently, and that's going to affect the quality of your sleep. So it's important that you're able to exercise and tone up all of those muscles in your face and your neck. You can do that through myofunctional therapy. If you'd like to learn more, find out more on my website, www.themyospot.com.